Hello, hi, welcome to Glady Tech YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to be teaching you how to find your BNB smart chain address on your Trust wallet. So the first thing you have to do is to enter your passcode and launch your Trust wallet on your device. The next thing is to search for BNB under crypto option. So my BNB is the fourth option there, fourth coin there. I just have to tap on it. So when I tap on it, it's going to take me to this phase of my Trust wallet. So I just have to tap on receive. So when I tap on receive, this is the address. I can just copy it and take it to any of the exchange of my choice. I can place it on the exchange and then make my transaction. So guys, I hope this video was helpful. If it was, do not forget to give me a thumbs up, hit the notification bell to always get notified anytime I upload a video. Thanks for watching.